Hello everyone, this is Candice Pintonil here, and today I'm not showing you any makeup or beauty or fitness video. Today I'm going to be answering questions to all my well-wishers who actually asked me these questions on social media as I asked for it. So it's easier to communicate and see what everyone has in mind. So let's start. So guys, my first question is from Ruku11. She's asked me, what's your goal? All my life I've actually focused on things that I've always dreamt of doing, whether it's been finishing my education or if I was in a pageant, I've made sure that I put in my 110% and I've gone through it successfully. So whether it's any project that I do, I believe in doing it 110%, and I'm very passionate about anything I take up in hand. And I love experimenting on things, I love learning, I love studying. I believe you shouldn't stop learning no matter what age you are in. So, my next question is from Tasleem Kadir. Zasmi, just want to say I'm very down to earth from being a A-list model. Actually, I think it comes from my surroundings, especially my family and friends, and I always believe in being humble and kind in whatever you do. And it has grown with me over the years, and I think everyone's come here to do a job. So whether it's my modeling field, whether I'm at home, I am the same. Obviously, I keep switching when I'm working. We have so much of glamorous makeup and hair, but I take that as a compliment. Thank you, and I think it's just my nature. So now the next question is by Diffadol. Hopefully, I pronounced it right. So the question is things I love to do in my leisure time. Well, since I'm quarantined right now, I've taken up piano. I've started learning piano, and thanks to my friend Shubhani. And yeah, I do a lot of online courses. I read a bit. I'm not much of a reader because I don't have the time. I love cooking. So I'm occupied with a lot of things. And the next question is by Vinay. Vinay's asked me a lot of questions, by the way, but I've picked the common questions up. So his question is, what's your favorite cuisine? Well, that's a very complicated question because I love eating food, I love cooking food. But since I can make everything else, I think I would say sushi at the moment because I don't know how to make it and it's damn really good. I think someday I will master that, hopefully. The next question is asked by two people actually. It's Vinay and Jaya again. Whether I like working out indoors or outdoors. To be honest, I've discovered outdoors more right now because I've been in isolation, and it worked wonders because it was a different shift from my normal workout in the gym. So I think I like both. So the next one is, what do I eat on my cheat day? That's mostly the weekends. So what I eat, I love pasta, I love spaghetti, I love dessert. Mostly I visit every second day. But yeah, so I kind of eat whatever I want to do, and sometimes I have a glass or maybe three glasses of wine. So yeah, and the next question is by Deepmala Sharma. Do you want kids? Of course I want kids. I've just been married, it's been 3 years. We just go with the flow and hopefully have a family someday. That's asked by Karma as well, the same question. And I do love kids and I also would like to have some pets, but right now in the situation given, I think a pet would be handful. So the next question is by Great Ollie. Any site you recommend to learn piano? To be honest, my girlfriend suggested me a lot of apps, and you have to obviously pay for them because that's the best ones that are there. There are many actually. If you go and see the first five, that will show up on your Apple Store or Android store. So you'll surely find it there. And good luck. I think it's a great instrument to learn. Now, the next one is from Anita saying, what do you do for your perfect skin? I've said that many times. I'm blessed with great skin. If I have to try something on my skin, it has to be home remedies because I get really scared trying anything because it tends to be too sensitive for my skin. And I use Nivea, which I love a lot. I don't really change my creams often. Nivea has been for the last 30 years now. So the next question is from Kama. You're such an inspiration to aspiring models. How does it feel? Thank you firstly, and I feel humbled, I feel happy, and I know what it feels like in that position. So I'm always there to help you guys out. In case you need any advice, I'm always there. It's a little organized right now because you have agencies and stuff like that. Back in the days, I didn't have any of it, so I know the feeling, and I want people to be inspired by me because when I look back, I've completed 20 years of fashion, and I'm still so passionate about what I do, whether it's fashion, whether it's cooking, whether it's learning something new, and I want people to be inspired by that. That you never stop learning and always seek out for help. So now the next one is from Ravi. How tall am I? I'm around 5'9", but the girls are getting so tall that I actually feel short. But yeah, I'm 5'9". And Simi who? Who do you love the most? Oh, sorry, it's Simi, not Simi who. She's asked, who do you love the most? Firstly, I love myself first, because if you don't love yourself, you can't love anyone around you. So yeah, that's funny. So the next question is from I'm a Star. So I don't know he or she, but the question is, how are you coping with the current situation? To be honest, the first 2 weeks of quarantine was a bit hard because I was still recovering from working non-stop from the start of the year to traveling and etc etc. That it took me 2 weeks to actually sort and organize everything out, whether it's finance, whether it's your routine, whether it's things coming in and out of the house and travel. So the first month was hard, but now since I've accepted the truth and I'm just keeping myself occupied doing things. My husband is obviously working, which is touch wood, people working from home. So we're complementing each other's space and going with the flow and hoping and just praying that everything gets back to normalcy. So yeah, that's how isolation has been for me. So the next question is by Shrisha. Do you miss TikTok videos, or have you started new Indian apps similar to it? To be honest, TikTok is gone. I enjoy TikTok a lot. A lot of people had a lot of problems with TikTok, but a lot of people use this medium to showcase their acting, their dancing. A lot of people use it for work because all these apps are linked with different other channels like a YouTube channel or your social media. So people don't realize that some people actually work via TikTok. Yeah, you do have crazy people doing crazy stuff, but that happens everywhere. And I used to love it because of the dancing, and I really found some funny videos just to keep myself entertained. But there are Indian apps. There's Dub Smash at the moment, and there are many more which I've actually put it on my other video, so do check it out. So yeah, but haven't got the time because I've just started my YouTube channel, as you can see, and with all your love and support, I want you to please subscribe to the channel. So yeah, so the next question is by I Rashid. What are my hobbies? My hobbies, I have so many actually. At the moment it's piano, cooking, reading sometimes, listening to great music, dancing sometimes. So yeah, I have many hobbies. Next is by Shashi. My favorite travel destination. When travel is a luxury, my last destination on travel was to the UK because my husband's from there. But I fell in love with Greece, with Rome. We were planning to go to America in August right now. So that's Cannes. So there are many destinations. Even India has such beautiful places. Obviously my favorite is Goa and up north. So yeah, when travel starts, hopefully I'm going off somewhere. But at the moment, it's my home. So guys, I've shortlisted the questions because I don't want it to be like a never-ending question and answers with Candice Pinto. So I hope you got your answers, and thank you so much guys for all your questions. I really appreciate all of you all taking that extra time and asking me these questions. And I hope you like this video. And if you do like it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Till I see you next.